Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of Class 6 History chapter New Empires and Kingdoms. Viewers, before starting the video I would like to tell you, for watching more such videos you can get the link of playlist in the end of the video as well as in description box. Let's start the video. First question is, Dash was a poet and a minister at the court of Samudragupta. Answer is Harisena. Next question is, Prashasti was composed in dash long sentences. Answer is very. Prashastis were composed in very long sentences. Next question is, people who maintained soldier and horses and provide equipment for welfare were known as dash. Answer is Samanthas, who became powerful uh, after maintaining the army and take over the rule. Next question is, dash was an organization of merchants. Answer is Nagaram. Next question is, the dash was a village assembly found in the areas where the landowners were Brahmins. Answer is Ur. Ur was a village assembly. Next question is, the Chinese pilgrim dash noticed the plight of untouchables. Answer is Fa Xian. He noticed the plight of untouchables. Next question is, the famous play of Kalidasa was dash. Answer is Abhigyana Shakuntalam, which is a love story of Dushyant and Shakuntala. Next question is, the inscription of Pallavas mention a number of dash. Answer is local assemblies like Ur and Nagaram. These were the local assemblies. Next question is, dash remained important for rulers. Answer is land revenue, which is used for different expenditures. Next question is, dash remained the basic unit of administration. Answer is villages, because from villages ruler get the revenue and the revenue is used for different expenses. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video with your friends, subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it yet, and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever new video is published. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day.